So I've discussed about that how to create SEO friendly URL on particular website. Any website will creation, first of all, domain and domain extension. My website will be commercial. Why commercial? I'll provide the free news. The reason of like earning money with the Google AdSense. Earning money with the Google AdSense. So what is mean by SEO friendly URL? So anyone news, two people can understanding with the perfect URL structure. This will be up to URL, single and news. We'll be writing for New Zealand versus Sri Lanka ICC Cricket Cup 2019 match highlights. They are easily understand by your structure. But here, little bit different by the long spaces. Any special character long space will be not valid. So we will be adding for continuously. So not only for things, you can see. You can see here, southernnews.com/single news. What is that? Anchor, ice cream parlor, interior, design, KPHP Kukatpalli and Hyderabad. So people can understanding by based on the URL functionality. Now, how to create SEO friendly URL on particular website. So first of all, select any YouTube channel. I'm selecting one particular video. Which video you can select it, but you're writing your own title. So selecting this video. So at present, we are selecting for a little bit changed by your own title. ABCM Vice Jagan More Reddy, powerful speech after election results. I mentioned by year. Why? After election thing, but maybe previous or new one. Select here. Every website to add the content, the option is called admin panel. The option is called admin panel. So any content you're updating for is called your admin panel. In this, select by the videos option. Add new video. So what are the title you mentioned? Don't give any kind of special characters. Don't give any kind of special characters. So right, I'm reaching description. Adding for URL. Select the category. Now click for submit. Not do anything. Just I'm selecting one video with your own title. Upload by the my website. Now check the your URL structure. Go to videos. Category will be called political news. Here I'm posting for this option. Now copy. Now you can see the title and the URL structure. Up to .com, single and video. Now coming to here. What is that? Your structure will be create. See the about title and before AP, CM, match or not. This will be called SEO friendly URL will be created by the based on the promotions. The before starting any promotion, the first of all important is called your URL structure. URL structure can understand by the search engines. That I mean by here. And any URL structure don't give any special characters. Don't give any special characters. Next one, searching for one more video. So this is the title I'm writing here. So I'm writing for just I'm writing for submit. So when mention any YouTube to website and not give the as is same title and not using for any option. You can see this one. Go to videos. That by the breaking news. Here is this one. Actor Tamanga will be here. Will be options. It's clear. This is a particular created by SEO friendly URL structure. It's clear. So first of all, you select the title with your own title, own description. You upload by content on your website. Particular URL structure. Any digital marketing, we can promote any kind of website to search any kind of information. First of all, they create by your URL structure. The based on URL structure, your website always come into your first position. That is a major one. Definitely is the major one. Your website always will be first position. So any URL structure will be not SEO friendly. If you promote 1 year or 2 years, no use to come into your website will be first position. The SEO friendly URL structure will be very important in your particular website before starting for digital marketing. So clear. Then tips for natural regrow your hair. You can see by your URL structure how to will be creating this one. Copy, paste. Healthline.com, health, beauty, skincare, regrow hair natural. If anyone asking for how to grow my hair, so automatically this will be important while the URL showing on your website. This is meant by SEO friendly URL structure. Please note on this one last one.